If I had $0, no audience, and no coding experience, I would not start by selling prompts or building a random AI app. I would fix one boring problem for a real business. Here are 5 AI-assisted services, ranked from the easiest start to the one I would choose. I am judging cost, skill, customer access, and long-term value. No guarantees. AI is leverage. The result is the offer. Number 5. Imagine a local restaurant with great food, but a social page that has been quiet for 3 weeks. The owner knows they should post. They simply do not have the time. That is a real problem you can help solve. Study the business, use AI to generate relevant ideas, and turn the restaurant's existing photos into 3 polished sample posts. Then write stronger captions and create one simple short video. One food photo can become a weekend special post, a behind-the-scenes story, and a short customer favorite reel. The beginner mistake is asking for trust before showing any ability. Do not open with, "I manage social media. Do you need help?" Make the proof first. Try this instead. "I created 3 sample posts for your restaurant. You are welcome to use them. If the style fits your page, I can make these consistently." The owner can now judge the work, not your promise. Startup and skill requirements are low, but competition is high. That is why content service is number 5. Number 4 is short-form video editing. A 30-minute podcast may contain 5 strong clips, but the creator still has to find the moments, remove dead space, add captions, and reframe everything for vertical video. Start with one public episode. Find a moment that delivers one complete idea. Cut the setup, tighten the pauses, add readable captions, and create a clean vertical version. Now the creator can compare the long source with a finished short. The transformation should be visible. Highlight the chosen sentence on the timeline. Crop the speaker for a phone screen. Add one relevant cutaway, and play the finished result. Send the sample with one respectful message. "I turned one useful section from your latest episode into a short clip. Feel free to use it." The same proof-first rule applies here. Let the finished sample prove your editing judgment. Editing takes more judgment than making static posts, but the result is also more valuable. Startup cost is low. The main skill is knowing what to keep and what to remove. Number 3 is building simple business websites. Start with local listings, not an empty design canvas. Open a business profile, visit the website, and check the page on a phone. Maybe the text is tiny. The contact button is buried. The homepage explains features, but never tells the customer what to do next. Those are specific problems. For a local plumber, the visitor may need only 3 things: the service area, proof that the company is trustworthy, and one clear way to request help. A redesign should make those answers obvious. Before selling anything, learn the basics: mobile layout, clear copy, one obvious call to action, a working contact form, and reasonable loading speed. Then redesign only the homepage. Show the old mobile page beside a cleaner version with a clear booking or contact button. Your outreach can be short. "I noticed your website is difficult to use on mobile, so I created a quick homepage concept. Would you like to see it?" You are not selling AI or code. You are selling a clearer path from visitor to customer. Website work takes more skill, but a useful redesign can become a much larger project. Number 2 is qualified lead research. A business does not need the biggest spreadsheet. It needs the right prospects. Choose one niche and define what a strong fit looks like. For example, local clinics with an outdated website, clear contact information, and enough activity to need help. Research public business pages, record the useful facts, and explain why each prospect belongs on the list. Do not mark a company as qualified because it exists. Mark it because you can point to a specific need, confirm that your service fits, and identify a respectful reason to contact it. 30 carefully qualified prospects can be more valuable than 1,000 random email addresses. The difference is judgment. AI can help organize and summarize the research, but it should not make the final decision for you. Use public business information. Respect privacy, anti-spam rules, and platform terms. Do not scrape private data or blast generic messages. Startup cost is low, and the skill is learnable. Long-term value is high because every healthy business needs customers. Number 1 is the service I would choose: simple business automation. Think about a dental clinic. Every day, patients ask the same basic questions. What time do you open? How do I book? Where are you located? Staff answer those messages while helping people at the front desk. The same inquiry may also need to be copied into a sheet, assigned to the right person, followed by a reminder, and checked again later. None of those steps is dramatic, but together they consume hours. A small system can receive a new inquiry and classify it. If the question is basic, it sends approved information, such as opening hours or booking instructions. If the question is uncertain, personal, or medical, it does not invent an answer. It routes the conversation to a staff member. That human boundary matters. Good automation removes repetition. It does not replace judgment. Now compare two offers. I sell AI automation describes a tool. I can reduce the time your staff spends answering repeated inquiries, describes a result the owner understands. Start narrow. Choose one niche, find one repeated problem, build one small demonstration, and show it to real businesses. Improve it from real feedback. One niche, one problem, one offer. This path requires more practice than content creation, but it becomes harder to replace once you understand a specific workflow. Startup cost is low to medium, the learning curve is medium, and the long-term potential is the strongest of the five. So which one fits you? If you are creative, start with content or editing. If you enjoy design and technology, choose websites. If you like research and sales, choose leads. If you enjoy systems, choose automation. Do not choose all five. Pick the one you can practice and demonstrate this week. Here is the 7-day plan. Day 1. Choose one service and one niche. Day 2. Learn only what you need to deliver one useful result. Day 3. Create your first sample. Day 4. Create 2 more, using what you learned from the first one. Day 5. Find 20 businesses that clearly need the service. Day 6. Send personalized messages and show the sample. Not spam. Personalized outreach. Day 7. Study the replies, improve the offer, and repeat. The progression is simple. 0. Sample. Outreach. First conversation. First client. Each step gives you evidence for the next one. Do not spend 3 months building a portfolio nobody asked for. Your first goal is not $10,000 a month. It is proving that one real person will pay you once. That first dollar changes the project from an idea into something real. Then you can improve the work, the offer, and the way you find customers. Pick one method. Create one sample. Show it to one real business. Then comment the number you chose. If you want to see one of these methods built from zero, from finding the business to making the offer, subscribe for the next experiment. AI is leverage. The opportunity is still solving real problems for real people.